pagdala niyo dito sa Robinson's Department Store. First time ko dito. Actually, nakaikot-ikot ako ng konti. Tapos, sana natutuwa kayo na mag-shopping dito. Kasi maraming mga great bargains dito and all. And I'm so happy that you guys could join me today.
Moment people dance and sing, there's just one big family. If you're gonna sing, let it be love, 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 love. I've been away too long, changing my time in the mirror, and then all the rest just trying to see it clearer. My world falls up the glass. So do we say that what I'm saying is there ain't no better reason for it, just have a vanity and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. I will make you feel our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Look into your heart and you'll find out the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause I'm telling you so. This is a thing. I'm yours. Thank you so much. Pwede ba, kasi usually, di ba kami yung mga interview, pwede ba magtanong-tanong lang. Yung first time ko dito, wala lang. Wala lang. I just wanna ask, like, what to be proud of here, yung favorite na gawin. So, sino bang pwede matanong dyan? Sige nga, ikaw, sabi ko sila. Ano ba mga ano niya? Ano ba ano po nila? Ay, ganyan yung malupan. Ano ba naman yung malupan? Super. Sige, so i-prove mo sa akin yan.